Hello Unstoppables! How are you doing? I hope you guys must be doing great. And again, here we are with a super duper and awesome lesson day 6. I hope you guys are ready. Without any further delay, we will be getting the class started and learning a lot of words today. So चलिए जी start करते हैं एक धमाकेदार टेस्ट से. As you already know, किसी भी क्लास को स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक हम धमाकेदार टेस्ट से जाते हैं. There are going to be 20 questions over here. There are going to be 20 questions over here. You have to just go back after just giving this test and comment that how many verbs were right and how many marks have you scored out of 20. Is that clear to you? 20 में से आपके कितने मार्क्स आए हैं आपको सिंपली कमेंट सेक्शन में जाना है एंड कमेंट करना है. By the way, we are now going and getting ahead with the getting ahead of course with the test. Okay, चलिए जी. So 3, 2, 1, let's start. Light, light, lit, lit. Run, run, ran, run. Come on. Sing, 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 sang, sung. Sing, sing, sang, sung. Drink, drink, drank, drunk. Come on. Swim, 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 swam, swum. Spin, spin, spoon, spoon. Hang, hang, hung, hung. Sting, sting, stung, stung. Think, think, thought, thought. Bring, bring, brought, brought. Buy, buy, bought, bought. Mislead, misled, misled. Come on. Mislead, misled, misled. Bleed, bleed, bled, bled. Find, find, found, found. Withhold, withhold, withheld, withheld. Shoot, shoot, shot, shot. Spit, spit, spat, spat. Is that clear? Spit, spat, spat. Just like sit, sat, sat, वैसे हो जाएगा. Spit, spat, spat. Leave, leave, left, left. Feel, feel, felt, felt. That is it. I hope it was clear to you. And don't forget to comment that how many marks you have scored in this test. आगे मूव करते हैं. और अगर आपने ये वीडियो पहली बार पाया है, so make sure check out the previous videos. I mean, this is the 6th day. Already 5 classes have already been uploaded, so don't forget to check them out. Okay, आगे मूव करते हैं आज की धमाकेदार नई वर्ब्स से. आपने टेल का याद किया क्या? सर टेल को तो मैंने पढ़ा था, स्पेशल वर्ब्स है, 38 में आया था. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली राइट. तो आपने पढ़ा टेल, टोल, टोल्ड. सर कहा हाँ मैंने तो पढ़ा था टेल, टोल, टोल्ड. तो मैंने कहा क्या टेंशन की बात है, जैसे टेल, टोल, टोल्ड वैसे ही सेल, सोल, सोल्ड. कम ऑन. टेल, टोल, टोल्ड, सेल, सोल, सोल्ड. टेल, टोल, टोल्ड, सेल, सोल, सोल्ड. एंड आई सेड अगर टेल का बन गया तो सेल का बन गया, और सेल का बन गया तो दोनों का बन गया. विच मीन सारा का सारा यहाँ पर जितनी भी वर्ब्स है सारी की सारी बन गई. कैसे? टेल, टोल, टोल्ड, फोरटेल, फोरटोल्ड, फोरटोल्ड, सेल, सोल, सोल्ड, सेल्स. Come on. Retail, retold, retold. Sell, sold, sold. Outsell, outsold, outsold. Oversell, oversold, oversold. Resell, resold, resold. Undersell, undersold, undersold. That is it. This is that simple. Is that clear? Okay. Now we are gonna be practicing it with the ing and yes, yes forms because that is also important. Because pronunciation really matters a lot, especially while speaking English. Is that clear to you? So let's get going. So ing और yes, yes के साथ practice करने वाले हैं. Tell, told, told, telling, tells. Come on. Tell, told, told, telling, tells. Foretell, foretold, foretold, foretelling, foretells. Retell, retold, retold, retelling, retells. Sell, sold, sold, selling, sells. Outsell, outsold, outsold, outselling, outsells. Oversell, oversold, oversold, overselling, oversells. Resell, resold, resold, reselling, resells. Undersell, undersold, undersold, underselling, undersells. Clear? Clear? This was that simple and I hope you got everything. Next slide में move करते हैं. Let's move to the next slide. आगे move करते हैं. Okay, here we are. क्या आपको से का पता है? सर मैंने पढ़ा था से, said, said होता है of course. तो मैंने कहा if you know the forms of say, you already know the forms of lay. So say, said, said, lay, laid, laid. Say, said, said, lay, laid, laid, and pay, paid, paid. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Here it is. Pay, paid, paid. सो अगर से का बन गया तो ले का बन जाएगा, पे का बन जाएगा, और अगर इन तीनों का बन गया तो सभी की बन जाएंगी. ओके, ऑल ऑफ देम आर जस्ट कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? ओके, सो से, सेड, सेड, गेन से, गेन सेड, गेन सेड, ले, लेड, लेड, इनले, इनलेड, इनलेड, मिसले, मिसलेड, मिसलेड, ओवरले, ओवरलेड, ओवरलेड, वेले, वेलेड, वेलेड, पे, paid, paid, then overpay, overpaid, overpaid, and underpay, underpaid, underpaid. This is that simple and I hope you got it. Yes or no? Just comment down. Just comment in the video. I need your comment. Okay, I love your comments, so don't forget to comment. Okay, so ing and ses form के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. Come on, get ready, get ready, get ready. गला साफ कर लो और आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, say, said, said, saying, says. gainsaying, gainsays. Lay, laid, laying, lays. Inlay, inlaying, inlays. Mislay, mislaying, mislays. Overlay, overlaying, overlays. Waylay, waylaying, waylays. Pay, paid, paying, pays. Okay, overpay, overpaying, overpays. Underpay, underpaid, underpaying, underpays. That is it. This is that simple. I hope you got it. Let's get going. Let's go ahead. आगे move करते हैं. Okay, again, new verbs, new way to learn. Of course, I hope you must be enjoying the class. Don't forget to like the video, and please, if you can, share the video with your friends so that it can be helpful for them. They can also be benefited from the video. Okay, by the way, क्या मैंने एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर दिया क्या अपने वीडियो का? ओके, लेट्स गो अहेड. हियर का पता है क्या? हियर, हर्ड. सर मैंने 38 वर्ब्स जो आपने स्पेशल वर्ब्स दिया था ना पहली या दूसरी क्लास में, मैंने याद किया था अच्छे से, तो मैंने कहा इसे याद कर लिया, काम बनाया. ओके, कैसे? हियर का पता है, हियर, हर्ड. तो मिस हियर, मिस हर्ड. ओवर हियर, ओवरहर्ड. री हियर, रीहर्ड. Congratulations, you already know the forms of these verbs. Come on, let's practice with ing and ses forms. Hear, heard, hearing, hears. Miss here, misheard, mishearing, mishears. Okay, come on. Over here, overheard, overhearing, overhears. Rehear, reheard, rehearing, rehears. That is that simple. Come on, let's get going. Let's go ahead. नेक्स्ट है सर, मैंने लूज को तो पहले से याद कर लिया. जितने भी ये कलर में है ना, लाइक देयर इज अ ब्लैकिश कलर बिहाइंड द वर्ड्स, सो दे हैव ऑलरेडी बीन लर्नड. आपको पहले 38 वर्ब्स स्पेशल दी गई थी, उन्हीं में से है. तो लूज, लॉस्ट पहले ही याद करके आए हो. मेक, मेड पहले से याद करके आए हो. मीट, मेट पहले से याद करके आए हो. फ्ली, फ्लेड पहले से याद करके आए हो. बचा क्या? रीमेक. तो मेक का बन गया मेक, मेड. तो रीमेक, रीमेड. Is that clear to you? ing and ses के साथ let's practice with them too. Lose, lost, losing, loses. Make, made, making, makes. Remake, remade, remaking, remakes. Meet, met, meeting, meets. Flee, fled, fleeing, flees. Is that clear? Let's get going. Let's go ahead. Okay. Come, came, come. याद करके आए हो. Okay, so come, came, coming, comes. I hope it is clear. Come, came, coming, comes. Become, became, becoming, becomes. Okay, overcome, overcame, overcoming, overcomes. This is that simple. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Okay, next one. Stand का पता है क्या? Come on, I asked. Stand का पता है क्या? Of course sir पता है. Stand, stood होता है, यही ना? Of course I know that sir. I am an English learning student. Oh, English student. Okay, चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं. तो stand means हो गया of course खड़ा होना. Stand, stood. Is that clear? Stand, stood. So understand का बन जाएगा. Stand, stood. Understand, understood. Misunderstand, misunderstood. Okay. Withstand, withstood. I hope it is clear. Okay, so stand, stood, standing, stands. Understand, understood, understanding, understands. Misunderstand, misunderstood, misunderstanding, misunderstands. Withstand, withstood, withstanding, withstands. Is that clear? Pretty simple. Okay, shine का पता है क्या? सर shine, shown 38 verbs में है, of course. Okay, तो shine, shown, तो I said outshine, outshone. Pretty simple. Shine, shown, outshine, outshone. Okay, shine, shown, shining, shines. And outshine, outshone, outshining, outshines. Easy peasy. Okay, let's get going. Win, won. Sir already याद करके आए हैं. Okay, तो win, won. And then shoe, shod, slide. इस तरीके से इन्हें याद कर लेना है. तो win, won, winning, wins. Shoe, shod, showing, shoes. And slide, sliding, slides. Easy? Okay. Next one. You must be really excited for the new verbs. Sir, these verbs are just like easy peasy ones. Okay. Bear. This is bear. Okay. तो bear, bore, born, bearing, bears. Bear, bore, born, bearing, bears. Okay, इसे तो आपने पहले ही याद किया है. तो for bear का बन जाएगा. अच्छा, bear का बन गया तो tear का बन जाएगा. tear, torn. ऐसे ही wear का बन जाएगा. wear, wore, worn. Is that clear? Okay. आगे मूव करते. तो bear, bore, born, bearing, bears. For bear, for bore, for born, for bearing, for bears. Then tear, torn, tearing, tears. Wear, wore, worn, wearing, wears. Swear, swore, sworn, swearing, swears. And forswear, for swearing, for swears. Let's cite once more. Okay, first, second and third form की प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं. Bear, bore, born, for bear, for bore, for bone, tear, tore, torn, wear, wore, worn, swear, sore, sworn, and for swear, for sore, for sworn. Okay, I hope it is clear and you got the point. Pronunciation really matters a lot. So make sure you practice them well so that you don't make any mistakes while pronouncing any words out. Is that clear? चलिए जी आगे मूव करते हैं. Do का आपको पता है क्या? Sir, do, did, done, doing, does. I know it because I learned it earlier. So do, did, done. Is that clear? Do, did, done. So I said अगर do का पता तो आगे भी बन जाएगा. Do, did, done. Outdo, outdid, outdone. Overdo, overdid, overdone. Redo, redid, redone. Undo, undid, undone. ing और ses को प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. Of course, don't leave them. They are very important. Do, did, done, doing, does. Outdo, outdid, outdone, outdoing, outdoes. Overdo, overdid, overdone, overdoing, overdoes. Redo, redid, redone, redoing, redoes. Undo, undid, undone, undoing, undoes. Okay, this is it. These many have been the verbs. Okay, for this lesson. All right, so this is the end of this video. I hope you got everything and everything is clear to you. Okay, now I will see you in the next video. Until then, go back, practice a lot, keep up the good work. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and be unstoppable. Thank you very much.